What do we have for you today? Because I do most things Marvel, I'm going to touch on a TV series that's supposedly interlinked with the X-Men cinematic universe. However, that could change with the Fox and Disney rights. But today we have for you Legion. So essentially the premise behind this is that he is Magneto's son, and he was diagnosed with schizophrenia when he was a youth, and now he's being shuffled between psych wards, and it kind of tells the story. Honestly, for me, I had a hard time getting into it the first season, but I'll bang out this Blu-ray and see if I can get into it. And I am a little bit late because it's already halfway through or completed season 2. But it was on Amazon.ca for $27.99 the other day, so I couldn't say no. Quick little look at the... I'll try to zoom this in. Give me a second. Hold it here for a second so you can read it all. So David Haller being the main character. Let's touch on a little bit of what's inside of it. So the special features are Fractured Reality, a different kind of hero, Uncanny Romance, Production Design, Powers, Makeup, Making the Devil with the Yellow Eyes, Visual Effects, Costume Design, Locations, and Deleted Scenes. Audio is in English, DTS HD Master Audio 5.1, and Spanish Dolby Digital 2.0, French DTS 5.1. Subtitles in English, SDH, French, and Spanish. With a widescreen ratio of 1.78 to 1, and a total runtime of 409 minutes. So, it is indeed 2-disc. Episode guide. Very simple episodes, obviously, just named by chapter. Image of David there holding his head. And then the discs are very simple. If I can get to them. Very simple light blue. So if you are a Marvel fan, or a fan of very strange series, it's worth taking a look at and seeing how a specific mutant views his powers. Are they real or are they not? Throw down a comment below and tell me what you think of this series. Thanks for watching, guys.